Hello, we're back in a little bit different location. We are in the sewing room of the house, and if you're watching this video, it's one of two reasons. One, you're a diehard channel fan, or two, you have just recently purchased a set of FC 150 or 170 Jeep forward control seat covers. What we're going to do is jump into a little bit about these seat covers, how they go on, and give you all the details you know to successfully install them without making them look terrible. The first thing that you're going to need is a set of hog clips. They look like this. They are simply a C-shaped piece of metal. Second, you are going to need a set of hog pliers. Hog clip pliers. Yeah, we'll call them that. These are how you close the hog clip together. Next, you're going to need the box that I shipped you that has the seat covers in it. There are two seat covers, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. They are not side specific, so you won't accidentally put the wrong one on the wrong seat. Now, before you get to installing, there are two basic sections to the seat. The bottom, which is plain and easy to tell, and the top, which is a sleeve. The sleeve is a little bit different because it does slot down over the back of the seat, and there are some tabs on the inside of it that say cut here. Now, before you whip out your scissors and start hacking your brand new seat covers, be cautious. Look at the seats that you have right now. Make sure that the frame rail is curved and not hinging. If it's non-hinging, you can cut at number 1. That is on the outside edge. If you look at the seat cover, they are labeled. 2 is the inside, it's the back of the seat cover. 1 is the side of the seat cover. If you cut 2 and you mean to cut 1, you can still install it. It will still probably look fine, but it won't fit the way the stock seats fit. The way the stock seats fit is you cut right along number 1. Part of number 1 hooks underneath the seat. The other side of number 1 hooks around the corner to kind of seal off the edge of the cushion. If you look at your current seat covers, you'll see what I'm talking about. I did a little bit different when I made mine, and they don't look quite like the stock seat covers did. Now, the outside of the seat cover has a front and back. You want to make sure that you don't get the front backwards. The front is the French double seam. That's the seam that you can actually see. It looks like an upholstery seam. That will face forward. This video is short and to the point. That is the installation of an FC 150 seat cover. It's as straightforward as I can make it. If you have any questions, feel free to direct message me on YouTube, Instagram, or on eBay, and I can answer any specific questions you have about installing these. Keep in mind, you are punching holes in this material. You do want to pull it tight. You do not want to white knuckle it. If you do pull it too tight, what will happen is the hog clips will actually tear through the material. Now there is a seam sewed onto the end of all the material, which is to help with this in case you do over tighten it, but be cautious. There's a guide for it. Follow the guide that's built into the seat. Clip the clips where they're meant to. Don't pull the seat any tighter than it should, and it's going to come out great. These seat covers are meant to be installed with factory foam thickness. If your seats have had the foam degrade in them, please take the time to go to a local upholstery shop and buy some hydrophobic foam. That is patio furniture foam or outdoor or boat foam. This is a very nice plush foam. It'll bring back the life to the seat, and you can cut it the same shape as the cushion itself. That's really the only place that the foam goes. You can hollow it out a little so it does lip over the front and sides. As long as you pull nice and even pressure all around the chair, it's going to fit nicely and last you another 50 years.